Not many festivals are celebrated in India with the fervour as Ganesh Chaturthi, especially in the western state of Maharashtra, as the festivities are underway. To celebrate Lord Ganesha's birth, our correspondent Disha Shah has sent us this special report. We'll leave you with this. Thanks for watching.
The streets of India's financial capital city, Mumbai, are buzzing with excitement as people prepare for the grand celebration of Ganesh Chaturthi. The 10-day festival starting from September 7th marks the birth of Lord Ganesha, and during this time, homes and public spaces are transformed into sacred spaces filled with beautiful Ganpati decorations. First up, flowers are an integral part of Ganpati decorations, symbolizing purity and devotion. Variety of floral options are available in the market, from artificial to real ones in different designs as well. From traditional marigolds, elegant roses, lilies, rajnigandhas to exotic orchids, the streets look vibrant and colourful.
This year specifically, the demand for sustainable decoration has increased significantly as people are now opting for more eco-friendly options.
To check eco-friendly options, Vion visited one of the oldest decor shops called Utsavi Decorations that makes and sells cardboard decor for the last 24 years in Lal Bagh area of Mumbai. It sells not only in Mumbai but across the globe, even in countries like the United States, UK, Japan, Mauritius, UAE and even China. Cardboard decor is becoming popular since last few years as it is eco-friendly, reusable and easy to assemble at your own home in 15 to 20 minutes.
I would like to introduce my father, who is promoter of this concept. In 2001, he observed the increased use of thermocol, plastic and other materials, and he studied for 3 to 4 years. He researched different material, and then cardboard is one of the very good material he found, economical, reusable, and he made structures out of it. It took about 7 to 8 years to promote this concept, and now we are seeing that whole efforts are resulting in good transformations.
In the other lanes of the famous Lal Bagh area, which is home to the biggest idols across the country, streets are filled with attractive LED lights, which is also an option for Ganpati decoration at home and even in biggest pandals. And lastly, no celebration is complete without sweets. Lord Ganesh is also known for his love for modak, a sweet treat consisting of rice flour, coconut and jaggery. The unique delicacy is closely connected with the celebration of Ganesh Chaturthi. Vion visited one of the oldest sweet shops in Lal Bagh area itself, where morsels are available in a range of tastes and shapes, each with its own distinct flavour and appeal. It is known to make more than 400 kgs of modak during the span of this festive period, and people make it in their homes, housing societies and pandals to serve as prasad to devotees who come to worship Lord Ganesha.
It certainly seems that the city of Mumbai is ready to welcome our favorite Lord Ganesha. And this time around, the excitement amongst the citizens is much more, as more pandals have been built up compared to the last year. More than 13,000 pandals have been set up across the city, which essentially means that you as a citizen will get more and more options to go and visit your favorite idol to worship. With video journalist Srinivas, this is Disha Shah reporting here for Vion World is One from Mumbai.
For all the latest news, download the Vion app and subscribe to our YouTube channel.